Wanna have such an interesting intro for your YouTube channel? I'll show you how to make it. Go to the Play Store and search for Intro Maker. You can see that I'm searching for the Intro Maker. After searching for this, click on OK, and the first one you can see Intro Maker for YouTube. This is the best one what I have found. I have already installed it by clicking on open this application. Now you can see that this is the application where you can find many templates for creating exciting intros for YouTube channels. Now you can see this is the interface of the application: sports, fashion. The first one popular, I'll go for the first one. You can see this is the template. You'll get 480p and 1080p. I'll go for the highest quality, that is 1080p. Now you can see by clicking on the play button at the between, you can see the template. You can see the title here. By clicking on the title here, you can give your channel name and your subtitle. For here, you can see I am removing this and writing "Welcome to the Live Atiously channel." You can change the font, the size, the text, anything what you want and what you want to prefer. By clicking on done, you can see the preview of this intro for your YouTube channel. Click on play button and you can see "Welcome to the Live Atiously channel." So in this app there are many themes, templates, stickers available for making interesting YouTube intro videos. So why are you waiting? Go and install it as soon as possible if you want to make such interesting intros for your YouTube channels. You can see I've changed the font over here. So this was all for the video. By clicking on OK, you can export the video and it will get saved in your gallery at your desired location. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned until next video. Bye bye.